Before the video starts, I just want to give a shout out to ItzMeMicah. He's awesome. He makes Brawl Stars videos of random clips. So it's really cool. I'll leave his channel in the description. And yeah, go check him out. Just continue with the video. We just took a shower, but there is a package at our doorstep. Oh my gosh. And again, I'm not an expert on this topic, but I really wanted to crack open and purchase an MGC 2x2. So guys, okay, the MGC 2x2, YJ MGC 2x2. My old 2x2, this was like an unknown brand I got from Amazon a while ago. One of the pieces is about to come off. It's this piece right here. Just feels super fragile, but so all changed today with the YJ MGC 2x2. So let's get in right here. Okay guys, again, another fantastic box. That's one of the things that makes the difference, is how cool the box is. Oh my gosh, what the, oh, look at that. So, comes with magnets and then a bunch of extra springs, which I'm not going to interchange on this cube because it's a lot harder to do so. The cube itself, and then actually that's it. It comes with a tiny pamphlet, absolutely minuscule pamphlet. It teaches some OLL, which is nice. Oh, I want to save this box, guys. This box is ridiculous. Okay. This is a really nice box. Wow. Wow, look at that. I really like the packaging they've done. So, this is the cube itself, the YJ MGC 2x2. They're coming out with an elite version of this cube, but the elite version is supposed to be a lot better. Ooh, okay, so it's a little bit scratchy off the bat. Corner cutting should be fine. Okay, it's kind of tight right now. Yeah, okay, so I need to do some adjustments. The magnets feel nice though. I like these strong magnets. It's very scratchy off the beginning. So let's go ahead and find a screwdriver. Cannot corner twist, which means it's really tight. I actually have an orchestra meeting in half an hour, so this video might continue in a couple hours, but let them disappear. May feel like maybe I am somebody. Okay, what? Okay, because I'm really into cubing these days because of quarantine, I feel like these puzzles are so much fun, especially if like learning the super fast algorithms. Like that wasn't even an algorithm, but you know, it's fun to do, right? Oh, I messed up. Okay. Yeah, I've just found cubes really fun in this quarantine period. I'm still using the beginner's method for the 2x2. So my record is only like 15 seconds. So yeah, not very good. That was terrible. Anyway, basically, we're gonna be reviewing the cube based on a couple factors. I don't know, I didn't count them yet, but whatever. The box. Oh, it's a nice box. Okay, the box, corner cutting, and stability. So, the YJ MGC 2x2, what are my thoughts? I really like it. It's the best 2x2 I've ever handled, but I've only handled 2. Based on what other people say, this is one of the best 2x2s for its price. So, yeah, this is the best 2x2 ever. Oh my gosh. The box, look at the box. Look at that box, guys. It's just amazing. You may have noticed something on my channel is I'm addicted to unboxing things. Like anything in general makes me happy if I get to unbox it. Like, look at this slip-on. This slip-on cover is so cool. Oh my gosh. And the fact that the slip-on is not the same way that the box opens, because the slip-on opens like this, and the box opens like that. Like, that is so insane. This is an Apple-esque box. Made, I think, sort of the same material. The box is a lot looser, though. I think Apple, you sort of have to, like, shake it. I really like the lines. I think I put on the slip-on the wrong way. Oh, no. This is a sick box. Box, 10 out of 10. Actually, I haven't seen that many cube boxes, but, you know, it's the best cube box I've seen. You know, this cube box is really sticky. It's actually, like, sticky. It's like your hands feel a little sticky. So that's like a 0 out of 10. Anyway, guys, So, we're gonna hop into the other two categories, which are corner cutting and stability. Stability, when we loosen the cube, does it still feel stable? Because one of the things for speed cubing, obviously, is how fast you solve it. You need a decently stable cube, but also a fast one, so you can easily turn and initiate those algorithms. Stability, I rate it a 10 out of 10, because my other 2x2 was 0 out of 10. A lot of cubers out there actually don't care too much about stability. I actually do, because I'm not the fastest guy in the world. I'm probably ranked like 1 billionth in the world. The pieces have only popped once, and that was when I was attempting to do a really, like, that sort of corner cutting, and see, it didn't even pop there. 45 degrees, no problem. Basically infinite corner cutting. Look at that. This is a $15 cube. Actually, I think it's like $10, but on Amazon it was like 14 bucks. I don't know. So I think I remember. Yeah, hopefully I covered most of the things you guys were curious about, if you were even curious about it, because I really... Anyway, hopefully I answered questions that you never thought you wanted answered. And see you next time on Brawl Stars.